Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the recorder actually has reliable power. First, check battery level and the external adapter. Make sure the power switch is on. Once done, inspect USB and audio cables for breaks or bent pins and reseat any detachable connectors. Remove batteries and clean contacts with a 70% isopropyl wipe. Let them dry before reinstalling. This prevents intermittent power and contact faults that cause the device to act dead or unstable. Next, focus on the audio path and internal settings so you know where the problem lies. You should verify whether the recorder is set to internal or external mic input, and then check gain, low cut, and limiter settings. If confused, reset them to neutral. Once that's done, plug in a known good microphone and monitor with headphones to isolate whether the issue is in the mic, cable, or recorder preamp. If noise persists, note whether it changes with gain adjustments. To finish, update firmware and perform a battery calibration if available. These fixes resolve many odd bugs. Then format the SD card in the recorder and use the manufacturer's recommended card speed and class. Corrupted media often mimics hardware failure. After that, run a full recording test with headphones and check the saved file on a computer for integrity and correct levels. If problems remain, try a factory reset. Troubleshooting tip: swap one variable at a time, cable mic card, so you can identify the faulty component.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.